everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. Today we're going to be giving you a tour of our room here at the Aulani Resort in Hawaii. We booked a deluxe studio room here. It is a DVC room. We are not DVC. We did rent points through David's DVC rental. We are not affiliated with David's. We paid for this completely out of our own pocket. With the deluxe studio, you do get one queen bed. It does have storage underneath for your luggage. Also, this couch will pull out into a queen size pull-out bed, and because our kids don't like to sleep in the same bed together, we did request a twin size air mattress, and they just brought it to us a couple of minutes ago along with extra blankets and pillows. This ottoman does open and it includes all the bedding for the pull-out bed, and then you can use it for storage for anything else you might need while you're in the room. Here on the nightstand, there are 2 USBs in the alarm clock, and there are 2 regular outlets behind the nightstand that you can use as well. But I just wanted to point out that even though this side does not have a nightstand, and I really wish it had something like a shelf, but there is an outlet for use. So if you are like me and you use your phone for an alarm, or you like to look at the time when you wake up or in the middle of the night, there is an outlet here for you to charge your phone. We love the addition of this table. Anytime we have somewhere else to sit in the room, we always really love that. And right at the table, there are 2 regular outlets, a USB-C and a USB right here at the table for use, and we love that as well. All the rooms here at Aulani do have ceiling fans, which we always love as well. Especially at night, we like to keep the door open. That way you have a little bit of air movement, but it's not the AC blasting all night. All of the rooms here are DVC, so they do have a balcony. We paid for an island gardens view, and this is our view. We kind of have a little bit of the parking lot and then all of the island because we are on the 10th floor. We love the size of this lanai. It is perfect size. There's 2 chairs and a table out here as well, and I see us spending many nights out here enjoying this awesome weather. One thing we wanted to point out is this sliding door is very heavy, but the perfect part about that is we were just outside there and there's a kid screaming, and we came in, closed the door, you can't hear a thing. So it does block a lot of the noise, and if you have little ones and you're concerned about them going on the balcony when they shouldn't be, there is a child lock here for the door. They do include a full-length mirror here, so someone can be getting ready and someone can be in the bathroom as well, taking a shower. I do wish there was a better light here to get ready, but it should be fine. Right when you enter the door here, there's a closet to the left. It includes the safe, the ironing board, and also has a luggage rack in there and some hangers. Then moving right along is the kitchenette. So there's a really good size mini fridge, and it does have a freezer section, which I know I've seen a lot of questions about, and it is a pretty big freezer section. So if you want to grill or anything like that and you need to freeze any of your meat, if you're here for a long period of time, that might be an option for you. There's also a microwave, and above the microwave is a toaster. And then in the cabinet, we've put some of our food, but they do include, right now, is plastic silverware and paper plates and paper bowls. No real cups or plates or mugs. The only real glasses in there are wine glasses, and everything else is plastic or styrofoam. So it only has 4 place settings for silverware, so we're going to be having to ask for more of those. And they do also include a corkscrew and a bottle opener and a can opener. They do have a list of amenities and amenities that don't come standard, but you can ask for, and we're going to take a picture of that if you want to pause it to read what's available. So I had been reading online, a lot of people thought there's Keurigs in the room here, and for this studio that we are in, it is not a Keurig. It's a standard size Mr. Coffee full-size coffee pot. Moving on to the restroom, the toilet area is completely separate and has its own door. There are 2 hooks in here, as well as a clothesline, and that will come in really handy to dry all of our bathing suits. There were 4 towels included in this room because it only sleeps 4 people. And then I do like that the countertop is pretty spacious, but there's also this top shelf to put items as well, so we should have plenty of room to put all of our items in here. If you are coming from Disney World, they do have the H2O products here, but they are quite a bit smaller bottles here, so I feel like we're gonna have to be asking for these quite often because we didn't pack any body wash, shampoo, or conditioner because we figured that we would just use the ones provided here in the room. I do really love this shower. I love the lighting as well, and then there is a rainfall shower head as well as the one that you can pull out, and we really love these at Disney World when we stayed there. So I'm really happy to see that here as well. One thing to note, this studio does have a connecting door. I'm pretty sure most of the studios here do, because they can be a lock off to make a bigger size suite. So I kind of knew coming in that we would have a connecting door. So far we haven't heard any noise from our neighbors, and hopefully it stays that way. We are a Disneyland focused travel channel, but we thought our viewers would like to see our room here at Aulani, and we do know that a lot of people, especially from the East Coast, will come out and go to Disneyland for a couple days and then hop on over to Aulani. So if you're interested in any of our Disneyland specific videos, please click here. Thank you so much for watching.